Hero 6 is a whole new game, and it's a whole new GoPro.
The engine behind Hero 6 is what we call GP1. Hero 6 is going to give you double the performance with 4K 60 and 1080p 240 video. You're going to get this really buttery smooth slow motion that doesn't drop a frame.
Every aspect of the shot is that much more brilliant, that much more lifelike. And when you combine it with quick stories, the experience is unlike anything before. Quick Stories is a way to go from capturing a great experience to the story that you can share. Your GoPro will automatically copy any new photos and videos over to your phone, where the GoPro app will edit that into a video for you.
Hero 6 is our smartest camera yet. We have algorithms for faces and audio, accelerometers, GPS, and we're able to take that data and pull them into your edit so we can create the most compelling story for you.
When you're able to capture something and slow it down, it really allows you to appreciate the moment. What was the water doing? What were you doing? Life happens fast, and using a GoPro helps you capture your life, slow it down, and see it in a whole new way. Hero 6's stabilization is far beyond anything we've ever accomplished at GoPro. Hero 6 can analyze your footage and then adjust the stabilization to take out any of the shake, take out the roll, and really make it look like your GoPro was mounted on a stabilizer. People are using their GoPros to film everything, and you can't always get close to the action. And now with Hero 6 and the built-in touch zoom capability, you can.
With Hero 6, you're getting more voice commands. You're going to get this hands-free, fluid experience.
GoPro, turn on.
Hero 6 is going to give you the richest, biggest, best image yet. Those colors are going to be brighter. The moments are going to feel more authentic, more lively, more evocative, just as you remembered them.
Live your life and share your life through amazing video. Nothing is like Hero 6.
Ricoh.
How did we make 40 frames per second? This time, we used AMBA H2 chip, the most advanced chip in the world. The newly supported raw picture capacity will also give you more room for photo editing as well. We've reinvented E4K all over again. With 100 megabit per second bitrate, it made professional grade post-production possible to everyone. The brand new USB 3.0 Type-C connection increased the transfer speed. You will see the differences between 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second. No details will be lost during high-speed movements. Non-ordinary crispy clear pictures that perfectly restores the real world. Electronic image stabilization for 4K 30 enables clear and stable footage that is normally subject to knocks and bumps. So keep doing what you're doing and let the EIS take care of stabilizing your footage. Moreover, E4K Plus comes with the voice command feature. Just tell E4K what you want, and E4K Plus will do it for you. After countless tests,
Start recording.
E4K Plus can now accurately understand you. With live streaming, you can share your adventure on most major streaming platforms before they've even begun.